Hi there, this is Rishabh. I welcome you to the Python Hackerrank series. I hope you are as excited as I am to solve yet another easy problem, the easy Python problem. So the problem is about loops, practice using for and while loops in Python. Let's go ahead and solve the challenge. Okay, so first of all, let's read through the task. The task says that the provided code stub reads an integer n. Yeah, I think this is what they're trying to say. From the standard input, for all non-negative integers I less than n, print I square. Okay, so all the non-negative integers, meaning starting from 0. And here is an example which is given to us for n is equal to 3. The list of non-negative integers that are less than n equal to 3 are 0, 1 and 2, and print the square of each number on a separate line. So there will be an input which is going to be given to us. So let's say the input is 3 as they have given in the example. So in every new line I have to print I square starting from 0 square till 2 square, because 2 is 1 less than 3. Cool. And here are the constraints which are given for n. So what is the value of these constraints, like how exactly they can help you? I think these will become more relevant and more significant when we go ahead and discuss about data structures and algorithms or competitive programming, for example. But here it's not going to, like, we really don't need to worry much, because n less than or equal to 20 is no big deal, to be honest. Cool. Now let's go ahead and write some code for this. Now n is already given, so in Python we can use the for loop for I in range, let's say n. Now when I have given just one argument, it means that the first argument is assumed to be 0. So writing just n is equivalent of writing 0 comma n. So I'm simply writing n, and in each new line I have to print I square, I star I, which means that this is basically I square. Cool. Now if I go ahead and run the code, let's see what happens. So the test case number 0, which means the run code test case has been passed. Now let's just go ahead and try to submit it. Great. So yeah, congrats Rishabh, you successfully solved your 5th code challenge. Keep it up. Awesome. That's great. That's quite encouraging actually. Now there is one more thing which I would like to show you in the same video. So let me just comment this piece of code, and now let's go ahead and try to solve the same problem using the while loop. So while I is less than n, and I really need to tell what exactly is the value of I equals to 0. So while I is less than n, what I need to do is I need to say print I star I, which means the I square, and also I need to say I plus equals to 1, which means I need to increment the the value of I in each iteration. That is very important. And if I somehow forget to do this thing, then this becomes an infinite loop, because I remains 0, I is always less than n, and this print will keep on going. It will always keep on printing 0 star 0, and it will become an infinite loop. Okay, so let's just go ahead and run this code again. Okay, congratulations. So this test case has been passed. Now let's just try to submit this code as well, even though I'll not be getting any extra marks for this, because we have already solved this problem. Okay, cool. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is how you use the for loop. This is how you use the while loop. I hope you enjoyed solving this very easy problem. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.